In the past few months, the use of artificial intelligence for side hustles and money-making methods has spiked. One of the main tools was Midjourney, but recently Midjourney has moved to a paid plan and is no longer free to the public. So, people are now looking for new artificial intelligence that can deliver similar results, and after looking far and wide for that same thing, I think I may have found exactly what we're looking for. Introducing Leonardo.ai. This AI has recently been uploaded and has the capabilities to compete with such tools as Midjourney, and the best part, you don't require a plan to use your images commercially. Of course, there is going to be quite a learning curve from Midjourney, but if you're on a budget and you're just starting out, this is definitely something to check out. In this video, I'll go through the features of Leonardo that convinced me to use this instead of Midjourney. Then I share some ideas for business models that use this AI to potentially make some passive income. Firstly, I'll show you how you can get access to Leonardo. Firstly, go to their site and then at the top right click on Get Early Access and input your email. You'll be redirected to a welcome page where you'll be asked to join their Discord service. Now you don't necessarily need a Discord account. Unlike Midjourney, Leonardo's generation happens on the web, so you can skip this step. You'll have to go back to their main site and then on the top right click on Launch App and then yes, I'm whitelist. You'll then be redirected to the Leonardo dashboard. Here you'll be able to look at past creation that were made using Leonardo. All of these are super high quality and most of them are much better than what you'd be able to get with Midjourney. What I really like about this is that it offers the ability to see the prompt and all the settings that we use to generate this exact image. You're also able to go through states or version of the artwork. And some even offer these without a background, meaning that you'd be able to generate images without worrying about removing the background later on. My favorite part about Leonardo is that if you look on their Discord and head to their frequently asked questions channel, you can find that you are free to use their images commercially free of charge. This is complete game changer, especially when comparing this to Midjourney, which requires an 8 monthly plan in order to gain commercial rights to the images you generate. Now a lot of the other not so good image generating tools use this token based system, and so does Leonardo. This initially really threw me off, but that's when I realized that you can get 150 tokens that rest every 24 hours. In other words, you get 150 images every 24 hours, which is plenty. On top of this, if you're a game developer and require textures, unlike Midjourney, Leonardo has a built-in section specifically targeted towards those needs. If you head to the texture generation area, you can upload a .object file and generate a texture using a prompt, but that's for another video. Now let's look at the features when it comes to generating the image. When it comes to generating the image, page has tons of things to look at, so well, take these things really slowly. Firstly, this box here is where you can input from the more detail. The prompt is here more accurate. The results will be here on the left side. You have a few interesting options, some of which don't come with Midjourney's free plan. You are able to pick the number of images that you want to generate with each prompt. The default is set to 4, and I believe that that's the ideal number for most purposes. Next, you have the image dimensions. Note that Leonardo has been trained on the 1024 by 1024 dimension, and therefore you will see better results. Next, you have the guidance scale. This is basically how strongly your prompt is weighted, or in other words, how restricted Leonardo will be when using your prompt. A level of 1 will allow Leonardo to use a lot of creativity and come up with an image that is not exactly what your prompt is. At a very high level, be more strict with your prompt. I recommend something near 7. However, you're able to play around with these to find which suits your needs the most. After that, you have the tiling option. This is really useful if you are creating patterns or backgrounds or something that's repeating. This is great for many things and can help even some business models that I will discuss later on. Lastly, we have two options, image to image and image prompts. These are pretty straightforward. The first option, image to image, will generate a new image using an image that you upload. With the next option, Leonardo will do its best to figure out what prompt would give a similar image to the one that you have uploaded. These features are extremely helpful and have convinced me that this is more effective and much better alternative to Midjourney. Now let's put these features into practice by talking about some business models. It could potentially make you some passive income online. For all these methods, we will be using Etsy. Etsy is an online shopping website where people are free to sell digital and physical products. First business model is selling products with a pattern online in places like Etsy. Let's find out how we can do that. Firstly, you need to create a pattern using Leonardo by using the tiling method. For example, green flower with white background and repeating pattern. For this, I'll select the tiling option in order to get that repeating tiling pattern. With that prompt, we get these amazing patterns. Now we'll upscale this and see how we can use it to sell on Etsy. Firstly, head to Printify. Printify is a print-on-demand site which will take your digital image and print it on their products that you can sell. What's great about this is that they will even package and ship the product to your customer. So, there is very minimal work that's needed to be done by you. Let's see how we can use this. I'll try a pillow. Let's click on this product and then start designing. Upload your image from Leonardo and click create pattern. This will continually or infinitely duplicate our image. After you're done with that, position it in your product the way you like, and once you're done, select preview. You can do this to so many products such as shower curtains, shoes, shorts, and so much more. Since you're only creating the designs and uploading them on Etsy, and Printify does all the rest for you. This is one of the easiest side hustles to get started in 2023. Online stores in the same field on Etsy earn thousands of dollars, and you can do this very easily and earn high income using these robots. If you like this video, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.